How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center, and we are mortgage brokers. We work with multiple banks and lenders just to get them to compete for you, to get you the best deal when you're getting a mortgage. And this is a weekly mortgage update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So in terms of mortgage rates, a 5-year fixed rate is in around 2.99% or so. Could be a little bit lower, 2.89 to 2.99, or it could be a little bit higher, just depending on the situation as well. And a variable rate is around 2.5%. Again, though, that could be slightly higher or lower, just depending on the situation. I also just wanted to mention, for somebody that currently owns a house and wants to buy another house, often the assumption is for them to go back to their bank that holds their current mortgage in order to port that mortgage to the new house. Now, that can make sense because then you don't have to pay a penalty to get out of the mortgage in that case. However, there are other items to take into consideration with regards to that. So for example, if your interest rate on your current mortgage is higher, then sometimes it actually makes sense to pay the penalty in order to get on the new house the lowest or the lower rates on the new mortgage. So you do pay a penalty there, but you actually might save more interest on the lower interest rate than what you would have paid on the penalty. The other thing that can happen when you're porting a mortgage is that the amortization, depending on the bank and the lender that holds that current mortgage, the amortization may have to stay the same. So in other words, let's say your amortization, you've got 15 years left on your current mortgage and you're moving to this new house, and let's say you're getting a bigger mortgage because you're upsizing on the house that you're buying. Well, if you want to port that mortgage, some banks and lenders will require you to keep the same remaining amortization, so 15 years, as opposed to doing, say, a 25-year amortization. So that, of course, would make your payment much higher on that new mortgage. So there, again, it may make sense to pay the penalty on the current mortgage in order to get a new mortgage, not only with the lower interest rate, but also with the longer amortization to make it more affordable on a monthly basis. So if you have any questions on that, just give us a call. The number at the office here is 905-436-8010. Thanks, and have a great day.